Welcome back to Inside the AI. I'm your host, Jonathan Ocasio, and today we're going to be talking about how AI is transforming businesses. Over the next 20 minutes, we'll be exploring how technology is not just a trend, but a transforming force throughout industries, creating trillions in market value.
So, what's behind the surge in generative AI? 2024 is set to be a pivotal year. According to a McKinsey report, 65% of organizations are now using generative AI regularly, nearly double from last year. This growth is driven by AI's ability to boost productivity and innovation across various sectors. Take retail, for example. AI-powered shopping advisors are being trained to offer personalized, human-like shopping experiences. This boosts customer satisfaction and brand loyalty. Retailers are finding that these AI tools can manage everything, from product recommendations to inventory, cutting costs and boosting revenues. McKinsey and Company. Let's talk numbers. The IBM Institute for Business Value surveyed 3,000 CEOs. They found that 64% believe the success of generative AI depends more on people's adoption than the technology itself. Interestingly, 61% are pushing their organizations to adopt generative AI faster than some employees are comfortable with. This shows a key challenge. While the tech is ready, the cultural shift in organizations is lagging. IBM Newsroom. Generative AI isn't just about automation, it's about augmentation. In finance, for instance, generative AI is used to create detailed, photorealistic renderings of products, speeding up production times and improving design efficiency. This quick iteration and refinement is a game changer for industries reliant on visual precision. McKinsey and Company. But it's not all smooth sailing. The McKinsey survey also highlights risks like inaccuracies and intellectual property issues. About 44% of organizations have experienced negative consequences, mainly due to inaccurate outputs. Despite these challenges, the push to leverage generative AI remains strong. Companies are focusing on robust AI governance to mitigate these risks. McKinsey and Company. Now, let's look at some social media perspectives. Fernando Manzo, a full-stack engineer, posted on LinkedIn that if you don't use AI today, you won't deliver at the same capacity as your peers. This sentiment is widespread in the tech community, emphasizing the need to integrate AI into workflows to stay competitive. Hatchworks. In healthcare, generative AI is making significant strides. AI-driven diagnostic tools are now analyzing medical images to help doctors identify conditions like cancer at early stages. This improves patient outcomes and reduces the workload on medical professionals, allowing them to focus on more complex cases. IBM Newsroom. A study from the AI Index 2024 shows that AI adoption is driving significant business efficiency gains, with 42% of organizations reporting cost reductions and 59% reporting revenue increases. These stats highlight the financial impact of generative AI, proving it's more than just a trend. AI Index. Another fascinating area is content creation and marketing. AI can now generate high-quality written content, create marketing materials, and even compose music. This offers huge advantages for creative industries by allowing them to produce content quickly and at scale. AI-generated content is being used for personalized marketing campaigns, increasing engagement and conversion rates. McKinsey and Company. Customer service is also being transformed. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants handle customer inquiries with human-like accuracy and efficiency. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also frees up human agents to handle more complex issues. McKinsey and Company. The impact of generative AI extends beyond business efficiency. It's also reshaping the workforce. Many companies are creating new roles specifically for managing and implementing AI technologies. However, this rapid adoption means a significant portion of the workforce will need retraining and reskilling. The IBM study found that 35% of the workforce will require retraining over the next 3 years. IBM Newsroom. This brings us to an important point: the cultural shift needed to fully integrate generative AI. It's not just about having the right technology, but also about fostering a mindset that embraces change and innovation. CEOs know that inspiring their teams with a common vision is crucial for successful AI adoption. However, nearly half of the surveyed CEOs admitted that their employees don't fully understand how strategic decisions around AI impact them, indicating a need for better communication